Welcome back to today's More Report on Monday the 27th of June with me, Rich Perry, market analyst at Hantec Markets. Now for the nightmare scenario that we've seen on sterling. A massive sell-off on sterling on the event of the Brexit, and continuing today. Technically speaking, it's just a basket case really, isn't it? I mean, it's almost impossible for me to give an accurate technical assessment of this chart because I mean it's just so volatile. I mean it's now down 333 pips on the day. And you compare that to Friday's candle. It's barely even touches the size, does it? So I mean you've got the negativity. Yes, this is a negative move on cable, and I think you can continue to see negativity. I mean the fact that cable bounced so strongly off the lows, and yet still on Friday, I mean the low was 32.24, bounced sort of 460 ticks, which is just, I mean, if I'd said it bounced 460 ticks and you didn't know the context of it, you'd say, wow, that's a massively bullish move. Absolutely not. And it's down now again another 300 ticks, so it's sort of all over the place on a sort of near-term basis. Here's the chart, and you can see the magnitude of all these candles that we've seen since that Brexit decision was made, compared to all these tiny candles that we had in the run-up to it. And I say tiny candles because they're tiny on the relative basis, but it's still accelerating, isn't it? I mean, even this morning we've had just now a high of 34.73. We're now 120 ticks below that in the last couple of hours, so it's just incredible the volatility that we're still seeing, and it just makes trading it incredibly difficult, I think, on a very near-term basis. But I think generally speaking, you'd say lower highs, lower lows. You'd say selling into strength. You'd say just all the general negativity surrounding the Brexit decision is going to be a drag on cable lower, but I mean, you're going to get volatility within that. You're going to see bounces. You're going to see 200 ticks of rebound, probably in the space of a matter of hours. But is that actually going to change the overall outlook? Probably not, because you're seeing, I think, what is going to now be the continued negativity and weakness on sterling in the coming weeks, in light of this Brexit decision. But it's just going to be really difficult to trade it on a confident basis. But if you're short and you've got deep pockets, then maybe you're okay. But in terms of being able to ride out any sort of volatility on the upside, but yeah, I think just generally speaking, it's going to retest this 32.24 level. Let me just show you the expanse of this negativity. In my chart, that's 20 years. It hasn't actually got accurate data back from 1985. So you can't really take any trading really as anything other than just, yeah, I mean 35 figure was that low of 2009. Smash that out of the water and still going. So what do you do really? Just play it on the short side and just likely to see further weakness, but as I said, volatility will be massive, or continues to be significant on this chart, on cable. So I wish you good luck in your trading. I think you're going to need it on cable. Anyway, I'll speak to you later. Bye.